welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to do a cleaning video today. I just need to do a few things and tidy up around the house. It's not a deep clean or anything, just kind of like dusting and sweeping and things like that. So I'm not gonna clean in this. We just got home a little bit ago from school and we played with the kids outside today a lot because it's such a beautiful day. And I wore my sun hat because every day at recess, I'm always like doing this because I don't have sunglasses. I always forget them. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bring a sun hat to school today. And I feel like a little garden lady. But I'm not gonna clean in this because that's just not practical. But so, yeah, I'm probably gonna get in some more comfy clothes. And yeah, if you need to get some stuff done around your house and you don't have motivation, here it is. Get up and do it with me. If you don't need to clean today, just sit back and drink some coffee or tea and just enjoy this relaxing clean with me. So these are a few things that I need to get done. I just added laundry to the list, but I'll probably put a load of that on first before anything, so that's going while I'm doing the other stuff. But I need to dust and wipe all the surfaces, start my diffuser, makes the space smell very good and it's uplifting. I need to dust and water my plants. If you go too long without dusting your plants, they won't get as much sun as they need, and it's been a while since I've dusted mine. Just been so busy. I need to clean the bathroom, make our bed, sweep, vacuum, mop, and then light a candle and probably fold laundry at some point. I don't know. This isn't really in order, but yeah. Also, I know it's a grocery pad, but you get the point. So yeah, let's get started with a load of laundry. I didn't write this on the list, but I also need to empty the dishwasher and the drainer and wash the dishes. So, not my favorite chore, but it has to be done, obviously. Well, what's your least favorite chore? I know everyone has that chore that they kind of dread. So comment below. I think it's kind of fun to see people's different preferences and stuff. Like, I don't know what my favorite chore is. Probably like dusting and cleaning the floors, like that. It's just satisfying to me for all the surfaces to be clean. But yeah, comment below what's your favorite chore and what's your least favorite chore. outside? Do you need to go outside? Come on, puppies. Let's go party. Go play. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the kitchen. It's looking pretty good. The only thing is the laundry basket, because our laundry closet is pretty much in the kitchen. So yeah, besides the laundry, which I'm gonna put another load on after that's done, it looks pretty good. I loaded the dishwasher, wiped the counters, and scrubbed a few dishes for the dish drainer. So yeah, it looks pretty good. So I think now I'm gonna move on to, there's just a few things to tidy up. Ignore the shoes on the table. But I'm gonna fold these blankets, put the pillows back on the couch, dust, and water my plants, and probably start my diffuser. So if you ever find yourself not having much motivation to clean, a few tips that I would have would be coffee. I know that's like so typical, but if I get a drink that I enjoy drinking, like hot tea or coffee or anything, that motivates me and uplifts me. And another one of the biggest things that helps me is music. Sometimes I want to clean kind of in silence and just kind of listen to my own thoughts, but worship music is so uplifting and encouraging and motivating to me. So yeah, if you need some motivation, put on some worship music. Put it on a speaker or put it in your earbuds and just jam while you sweep and vacuum. I sometimes find myself home alone with music on, and I've got the vacuum and I'm just like kind of like going dancing with the song. But just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be a task that you dread. We all need to clean. We all have messes sometimes. My house gets out of control sometimes when we have busy weeks at the church and stuff. But yeah, sometimes I'm not motivated at all. Today, I'm pretty motivated. I think making a video for y'all also motivates me, just like to get it done and have fun with it and inspire y'all to clean too. So yeah, we picked this up from our favorite coffee shop after school. Hunter ordered it. It's right down the road from us, Mule Kick in Magnolia. If you ever visit here, you gotta go there. They make the best coffee. They practically have our coffees memorized by now. So yeah, anyway, yeah. So grab a coffee or a tea, put on some music, and get to cleaning with me.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free.
what I've got done so far. I did not get the laundry done yet, but I just checked it off because I started it. But I think I'm about to put that load in the dryer and then put another load in the washer and then get started. I think I'm going to start, maybe make my bed and then sweep and vacuum and then clean the bathroom. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do next. So I'm sure you noticed, but I still have the pictures that come in the frame above our bed. We've been married for over a year now, and I still have not printed pictures for this. So hopefully I'm not the only one. I don't know why, but I always procrastinate printing pictures. It's not that hard, it's not that big of a deal, but it always just seems like one of those tasks that I just never get done.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
I love adding essential oils onto the pad of my steam mop. It makes the house smell so good. and it's just a natural way to clean your floors. I love this steam mop. I think it's from Amazon. My mother-in-law got it for me for Christmas. So yeah, I love this thing. It's Shark brand, and it just cleans the floors really good, sanitizes it from the steam, and the essential oils makes the house smell really, really good. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video right there. I hope you found some motivation to get cleaning, and I hope you enjoyed it. I am about to go help my hubby cook dinner, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you next time.